Look guys, all these faulty cells from 2020, 2021, LG, M50T cells. Approximately 50% of batteries are faulty, had some damage. If you open and inspect it, you will see this picture. If your battery doesn't charge to 100%, it means that you had some leakage inside the cells. You have to open immediately and check and replace your batteries. Here the packs that it's okay. It's not rusty. It's not faulty. Charge up to 100%. I just inspected it, and you see from 2020 some from 2021. When I inspect and check that the cells is okay, visually and physically, and charge to 100%, then I put some silicone on it, on BMS, cover it with very good silicone that is dielectric, that is thermoresistant and working like thermopast, that is cooling your transistors and all electronics. So it's safe, it's waterproof, water protected, and it is fire resistant too, and it's protect you from physical damage as well, because it keeps electronics safe from crashes. Then I put some fiberglass tape on it, like 3 layers of fiberglass, and then put it into the plastic tube like this, only in one direction, like this, 2 waterproof internals, and then seal it with silicone. Like this. Now it's curing. Then we have safe battery pack. But still, if you are performance rider, if you wanna jump and race with your wheel, I highly recommend bullet cell packs. Or at least 50S, Samsung 50S cells, and to replace your battery, especially in 2-pack configuration like Big Audio MSP, RS, and 2-pack Nikola.